Welcome. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful practice. Bodhipaksa, a Tibetan Buddhist author and professor, said this about concentration. Concentration allows us to really enjoy what we're doing. Whether it's being in the country or reading a book, writing, or talking or thinking. Concentration allows us to think more clearly and deeply. When you first start practicing, you may find the mind wandering quite a bit. Concentration practice helps you train the mind to focus by giving it something to do. Like mindfulness, this takes time. When the mind wanders, you bring it back. Over time, the mind will learn to focus and let go of distracting thoughts on its own. Find a comfortable sitting posture on a chair or cushion. Straighten the spine, but allow the muscles to relax. Briefly check in with the body. Allow the shoulders to drop, soften the muscles of the abdomen, and invite in relaxation. Notice where you can feel the breath in the body. It may be the abdomen, the chest, or the nostrils. For now, pick one place where you can feel the breath most easily. Rest with the sensations of the breath in this one spot. Begin counting the breaths. Inhale and exhale with awareness, and count 1. Inhale. Exhale and count 2. Continue like this up to 8, then start back at 1. Remember that the counting serves as an aid to practice, giving the mind something extra on which to focus. It is not a competition or measurement of how well you are doing. When the mind wanders, just come back to the breath. Begin back at 1 as many times as necessary. Watch out for judgment and let go of any harsh self-talk. Continue like this, counting the breaths and building focus. When the mind wanders, notice it. When the mind is concentrated, notice this as well. When 10 minutes have passed, allow the eyes to open. Continue with your day, noticing when your mind is focused or wandering.